Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a Karcher K series replacement hose, but also a drain hose. So what I've got here is standard BSP fittings at the end that can simply be taken off, unscrewed off with a flat side there. This is one side that would go to the trigger side, and you replace it and put the drain nozzle in. This drain nozzle is one forward jet, and you've got 3 facing backwards nozzles. That helps you go down the drain. We've then got the other side that connects into the pressure washer itself. Now what you've got to remember is when you're doing it this way, you've got to turn the machine on and off. It's like a snake is this, so be very careful. You need to be very close to the job that you're doing with the pressure washer to click this into the machine. And like I say, now it can then be made into a replacement hose. You can use it as a proper rubber replacement hose, non-kinking, lay straight and flat, not like other hoses in the marketplace. It's got one wire braid inside, so it's not the cheap nasty plastic horrible stuff. Quality hose. When you're doing drain jetting, what you do is pull this cuff back. So this cuff comes back off the system, it just pulls back down the system. You keep that in your hand while you're working down the drain, so it gives you a mark of how far you've gone down the drain. You will then pull it forward to clean all the sludge and dirt off as you've come to finish off, if you're using it that way as a drain jetting hose. But it will do both jobs. Proper rubber industrial quality hose, industrial quality I say. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So this is a hose that can be used for different machines. Change your machine, just change the ends. We've got all different types of ends in stock. Not a throwaway world anymore. Think of the environment. Thank you very much. Q Services.